Welcome back to the channel. So my M3 is getting up to 95,000 miles. I think it's at 94,000 and like 800 miles. So it is kind of getting old. I did see on Instagram someone's E90 M3 hit 220,000 miles. So these cars could last up there, but you need to keep up on the maintenance. And speaking of maintenance, I'm at Precision Designed again to do some maintenance and some work on the car. Let's just kind of go over what we're going to be having done. So we're going to do the spark plugs, the fuel breather valve, because my car has been having some strange idling issues after I fill up from the gas, and I'm pretty sure it's the fuel breather valve. But we're getting the spark plugs, the fuel breather valve replaced. We're getting the exhaust tips put on, the ones that are for my car, because right now the tips look funky because it's supposed to be for an E92. And then if we could fit it in, we're going to also get the under tray fully bolted on, because it did not come with the hardware or the drilled holes to secure it onto the actual underside. So we might have to get that done. But yeah, I am at Precision Designed, and that's my go-to shop for this car, and I can't wait to get more stuff done. Also, update, the Euro bumper has just landed and it's at my house, but I need to get it painted, and then we can get that on there also with the GT4 V2 front lip. Well, the engine bay is hella dirty, but here we are. Ah, there you go. Damn. So these are bad, huh?
Yeah,
so there's a slight leak in the valve cover, because you could see some oil pooling down there. We saw it earlier when we pulled out the spark plugs, but they're wiped off now. But we're getting all the spark plugs pulled out, and we're gonna just monitor the oil leak. This is the old one right here, and here's the new one. Basically look the same, just one's lighter.
Shinier.
Yeah, it's been used. So we're gonna be getting the wheels on. As you can see, I have the 19s, the comps, but we're gonna be downsizing to 18s. All right, so here's the first wheel. It's about to go on. Hopefully it looks really good.
Oh, no, sorry, that's a front. That's a front.
So here's the first wheel on there.
What you could do too, honestly.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, the front's flush.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
if you put the 20 in the rear, it'll fill in the gap.
See that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this looks way better.
Yeah, see, a 15 it'd be like perfectly even.
Yeah.
But
Hey, we could work with this though. All right, so here's the side with the NTO3s. Let's go over to the other side to see the wheels that are currently on it. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna have to get used to the silver wheels. All right, so the front's a little sunken in compared to the rear, so we're gonna add a spacer. It's gonna be a 5mm. It should put it dead even with the rear, so that when you're looking at it from the side, it should line up. So here's a look at the new wheels. It's the Enkei NTO3s. The specs are going to be 18x10 plus 25. I do have spacers. I believe I have a 5mm in the front and then a 20mm in the rear. Overall I really like the look. The comp wheels are nice, but there was no contrast because my car is black and the wheels kind of just blended in. But I'm really happy with these wheels. It did downsize from 19s to 18s. I prefer that look on these cars, and also just you can't go wrong with JDM wheels on a Euro car. So yeah, overall I think it was a right decision, but feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think about it. But yeah, this is just the first step of kind of getting the E90 to look really good. The next step is to replace the front bumper with the Euro bumper and add the GT4 lip. But right now this is how the car sits. It is on springs, so there is some of a gap, but we can fix that. I'm just happy that we now have wheels that are not the comp ones. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little shorter than usual, but didn't film too much. But yeah, hopefully you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna have more content soon.